How to fix update KB5061977 failed to install in Windows 11 24/2. Hello friends, follow these steps. First of all, try to install the update from Microsoft Update Catalog link. Go to the video description and click on the link to Microsoft Update Catalog. You will reach this page. Here you will find two files. One for ARM64 based systems and other for x64 based systems. Check your system type. Click on Start. Select Settings. Go to System. Click on About. This is system type, 64-bit operating system, x64 based processor. I have to download x64 based systems, this file. Check yours and click on download for the respective file. Click on both the links. Let the files download. Once downloaded, click on the File Explorer icon. Go to the Downloads folder. Right-click on both the files one by one and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Right-click on this file. Click on Open. Preparing the installation. Do you want to install the following Windows software update? Yes. Copying packages to the Windows Update cache. Let the packages copy and restart the computer after it is completed. If this method doesn't work, reset Windows Update components. Again, go to the video description and click on this link. A zip file will be downloading using your default browser. Once downloaded, click on this folder icon. Click on Extract All. Select Extract. Right-click on this batch file and select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Press any key on your keyboard to continue. Press Y and hit Enter. Again press a key on your keyboard. Now close the windows and restart your computer. Then check for updates if it is installed. If the issue still persists, modify services. Click on Search, type Services. Click on Services. Find App Readiness in the list. This one. Right-click on this service. Select Properties. We will make changes in 4 services here. Keep in mind that for every service, the startup type should be automatic. If it is not automatic, other than automatic, such as manual, disabled, then we will choose automatic. And the service status must be running. For every service, if the service's status is stopped, then we will click on Start. For the App Readiness service, change the startup type to automatic if it is not, and click on Start if it is stopped. Click on Apply, click on OK. Right-click on App Readiness, select Restart. Now do the same with Background Intelligent Transfer service. Right-click on this service, select Properties, change the startup type to automatic. Service status is showing running, so click on Apply and click on OK. Right-click on the Background Intelligent Transfer service, select Restart. Then look for cryptographic services. This one. Do the same with this service. Right-click, Properties. The startup type is already automatic and the service is running. So click on OK. Right-click on cryptographic service. Select Restart. Click on yes. Come to the bottom part. Windows Update. This service. Right click. Select Properties. The startup type is already automatic and the service status is showing running. So click on OK. Right click on this service and select Restart. Close the services window. Then go to Windows Update Settings. And click on Check for Updates here. After the update is downloaded, restart your computer to complete the installation. If the error is not fixed until now, then there may be some corrupted system files in your computer. To repair them, you will have to run dism and SFC commands. For this, open the command prompt again. Click on Search, type cmd. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Copy the first line of dism command. Paste into the command prompt. Hit Enter. Copy the second line of command. Paste into the command prompt. Hit Enter. Run the third command. Copy. Paste. Hit Enter. Then run System Files Checker command. Copy. Paste. Enter. After completion, close the command prompt, close other running tasks, and restart your computer again. Then try to install the out-of-band update. If the problem is not going, then you can check by uninstalling third-party antivirus program if installed. To uninstall, right-click on Start, select Installed Apps. Find the antivirus you have installed in this list. I have not installed any antivirus, but I am showing you an example here. Suppose this is the antivirus. Then click on three dots, select Uninstall, and click on Uninstall on this confirmation pop-up. Yes. If any uninstall window appears like this, then follow the on-screen instructions until the complete removal and then restart your computer. Then check if the update is installed. If any methods don't work, then you will have to run in place upgrade. To run in place upgrade, first of all you will have to download the ISO file. So open a browser, type Windows 11 download in the address bar. Press enter. Click on this link. Download Windows 11. Go down to download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. Click on select download and select Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for x64 devices. If you have ARM based device, then you can click on the link here and follow the steps accordingly. Click on download now. Here select the product language. For this, check the language on your system. Click on start. Go to settings. Go to time and language. Language and region. Windows display language, English United States. Close the settings window. Click on choose one. Select the language which is showing on the display language. For me, it is English United States. Click on confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Once downloaded, go to the file explorer again. Downloads. Right click on the downloaded ISO file and select mount. Click on open on this warning pop-up. Right click on setup.exe. Select open. Click on yes. Uncheck this box. When you check this box, it will take much time. So uncheck this box. Click on next. Checking for updates. Wait until checking is completed. On this window, click on accept. Click on install. Let the installation complete. The latest out-of-band update will be automatically installed with this version. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.